Hi, today I will show you how to add lining to the bag for a hard bottom and a better shape. Check other videos I have for crochet tutorials and learn with me new stitches. If you like my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button for new videos. This is a bag I made on circular style crochet with 2 colors. The bag is from One Piece Crochet. I used an acrylic yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. The square beads on the top of the bag are to create a better shape for it. It is easy to carry, and this is the small version. I have medium and large size bag as well, but this is for another video. As you can see, the bottom is a circle from 6 rows and increasing stitches on each row. What will we need? An acrylic yarn or any yarn of your choice. The color should be at least in line with the main colors of the bag. A crochet hook. I choose a 2.5mm one, according to the yarn that I am using. A scissor, a black marker or pen, and a hard silicone to put in between lining and bottom. If you do not have a custom-made bottom bag, you can use from IKEA the silicone table mat. I found it in office supply area. It is a convenient replacement. I will start crocheting the same circle size I have on the bottom of the bag, only that I will be using different yarn and will end up having more rows. It is a thinner yarn, the lining, than the bag. I chain 6 and close the circle. In this circle I am working 12 double crochet, closing the circle again with a slip stitch. I start by chaining 3 and continue with double crochet in the first stitch. In the second chain I will make 2 double crochet, so I will continue increasing the circle. The next stitch will be 1 double crochet and continue with 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet till I close the circle. I will continue increasing the circle until I have the matching size with my bag. There is no rule on how many stitches to increase and how many rows. You can check the size on each row until is a match. I will keep working and see you at the end of the circle. I did 8 rows of double crochet and kept increasing until the 7th row. The last row was a simple double crochet in each stitch. I cut the circle from the silicone mat and now I will attach the lining to the bottom of the bag with slip stitch. This process you must work it on the wrong side of the bag. Some of the lining stitches I will have to add them in the same stitch of the bag, because I want to create a balance effect and the stitches will not match, especially because the yarn is different. So, I have more stitches on the lining than I have on the bag. Keep doing this, until you close half of the circle and I will meet you there. I will add the silicone circle in between lining and bottom bag and stitch them together till end. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, please.